Welcome, in front of me is an ROG Phone 6 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. You could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. And once you have one or the other, you want to pop out the tray which is located on the bottom left side of the phone. As you can see, this red little insert right here. It has a tiny little insert pin. So just place your tool in there, push it in, and you will see that the tray comes out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards on either side. You can occupy either one of the sides, it doesn't really matter, or obviously you can also use both of them at the same time. I'm going to use the top one right here, and from there simply slide it back into your phone. The card should start working when you insert it, so give it a second, and there we go. As you can see, it's telling me to enter SIM pin, and there we go. So that is how you can insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.